right, so today we got our production controller samples back. They fixed all the software bugs. It's pretty much working exactly like we wanted to work. Very happy about that. My understanding is they worked until 11 one day, and then 4 o'clock in the morning the other day to get these issues solved. So that's pretty typical. There's always going to be bugs, always going to be little issues. They just have to get resolved. That's just the way it works. We're going to do a full production parts build before we get to the line. Kind of work out some details on how we're going to do the assembly on the bike, make sure everything's assembled correctly. Yeah, today just basically doing more testing. Signal, horn starting to come in. A lot of different parts on here.
对，高配的灯。
跟那个不一样吗？有没有？
来，这里靠别混的外。
All right, so finally we got the offline build for the HyperScorpion. All production parts here. Finally got this thing working right. All right, so I just did a quick ride. This is our first build. I'm gonna spend the remainder of today checking. So far it's working very well. I'll try to report back tomorrow, try to get it on the track and get it on the little obstacle course. Tomorrow we already will start the production. Looks like it got rain today. A little bit more cleaning up on the firmware, but everything is good. Very pleased with the way the bike came out. Got a couple more little software things we need to fix. Sub-assembly of the handlebar.
First impression, you OPN. We should be close friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN. Take that high road and hop in.
For this test, we're gonna put it on a dyno, run it at 35 amps, maximum power, full charge, all the way down to 0. This is a production bike, so get a chance to see how it functions in an extreme situation. You can see how much heat's building up in the system. The whole frame is acting like a heat sink. I think it broke the dyno. So today we're going to be taking the bike through obstacle course, all actual parts. This represents what you're going to get. We're going to take it through a lot of different hurdles and help us confirm the assembly and parts that arrive on the bike. It'll be a lot of fun. All right, we're going to go up the first incline. Pretty much all on the throttle. And then down this one. This is much steeper coming down this way. Yeah, and then over the rock, stand up, up the bike, and then over these speed bumps, slow these bumps, okay, whew. Then we're gonna make a turn here, and then curve hops. Right down, and then we got the big speed bumps. So got some serious little bit of air time there. Then up this incline, all throttle, and then down this hill. Now I need to come around this way. This is the hardest one. Tire jump. Woohoo! Chicane. And that's the start. Hard stop. Whew. Straight down. No big hill, all throttle. You really gotta keep your momentum. I don't think the regular Scorpion would even handle that one. Oh shit, we lost the drone. All right, HyperScorpions making their way to getting packed up. We should be able to send the first batch on Wednesday. So 好了，这个车好了，我不管这个车了，你们去搞，给生产部门那边。All right, so I rode the taxi home. We got a long night ahead to edit up this video, do a cohesive story, tell people. So that basically closes down one chapter and starts a new chapter for the HyperScorpion. As far as the bike, the performance is outrageous. I think the combination of features and the performance that this bike has is, I think it's just absolutely going to be a benchmark. You know, obviously it's going to take some time before it gets out there onto the market and people get their hands on reviews. But when you try it, I think this bike is going to be really just set a whole new level for a pedal assist e-bike in this moped category. But still, you can pedal it, and it's just really hard to describe the category that this bike fits in. So we hope to get this production batch out on Wednesday, first batch, and then we will do another batch. We'll run all the bikes for Indiegogo and for all the pre-orders. And then we'll keep building up stock with the goal of having the bikes ready for you that will ship next day after you buy it. It's gonna take a little while, but that's where we are right now. So I know it took kind of a long time, but we had a few distractions. I'm super pumped for everybody to get their bikes. You know, we did this all with zero investment. Just basically, you know, drawing on a piece of paper all the way to getting these bikes to your customers. Thank you very much for your support, and let's get these bikes out to you.